Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow only your contacts to add you to group chats on WhatsApp. If you've been getting added to random groups or simply want more control over your privacy, this setting will give you exactly what you need. Let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Step 3. Now, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Step 4. In the Privacy menu, select Groups. This is where you can manage who can add you to WhatsApp groups. Step 5. Under the section Who can add me to groups, choose My Contacts. This will make sure that only people saved in your contacts list can add you to any group. And that's it. You've successfully set your WhatsApp to allow only your contacts to add you to group chats. It's a simple way to protect your privacy and avoid unwanted group invitations. Thanks for watching.